You probably have a roll of aluminum foil in your kitchen right now, tucked away for leftovers or holiday roasting. But what if I told you that in 2026, people across the United States and Europe are moving this common household item from the pantry to the medicine cabinet? It sounds like a strange internet myth, but wrapping your feet in aluminum foil is an unconventional practice rooted in traditional folk medicine that is gaining new attention for its surprising thermal properties. If you've been looking for a low-cost, drug-free way to soothe tired muscles or combat the seasonal chill, you'll want to stick around. Today, we're re-exploring the science and the stories behind why people are wrapping their feet in silver foil, and exactly how you can try it safely at home. The concept might seem bizarre at first, but the logic behind it is actually based on physics, specifically thermal radiation. Aluminum foil is a powerful heat reflector. In industrial settings, it's used to insulate buildings. And in emergency medicine, thermal blankets made of similar materials are used to prevent hypothermia. When you wrap your feet in several layers of foil, you are essentially creating a localized heat chamber. Instead of your body heat escaping into the air, the foil reflects that infrared energy back into your skin and deep into your tissues. This concentrated warmth can have several interesting effects on your well-being. One of the most common reasons people try this technique is to alleviate joint and muscle pain. Whether you are dealing with the aftermath of a long hike, a double shift on your feet, or the nagging discomfort of seasonal joint stiffness, localized heat is a known remedy. Heat helps to dilate blood vessels, which improves circulation and allows oxygen-rich blood to reach tired tissues faster. Many proponents of this folk remedy, particularly in Eastern European traditions, claim that wrapping the feet for an hour or two can provide a soothing sensation that rivals expensive heating pads. By focusing the heat on the feet, which are full of nerve endings and blood vessels, the relaxing effect can often be felt throughout the entire body. Another popular use for the aluminum foil wrap is managing the symptoms of the common cold or flu. While it is important to state that foil is not a cure for a virus, the practice is often used to help the body regulate its temperature. During the early stages of a cold, keeping the extremities warm is a classic piece of wellness advice. The foil wrap method involves layering the feet with foil for about an hour, then removing it to let the skin breathe and repeating the process. Many people find that this intensive warming helps reduce that deep, shivery bone ache that often accompanies winter illnesses, making the recovery process feel much more manageable. So how exactly do you perform this unconventional treatment? According to traditional methods, you shouldn't just wrap one loose layer and call it a day. The most effective way involves layering. You start by taking 5 to 7 individual sheets of aluminum foil. You wrap your feet either bare or in thin cotton socks and place a layer of paper or gauze between each layer of foil if you have sensitive skin. You leave this silver booty on for about 60 minutes. After the hour is up, it is crucial to remove the foil and let your feet rest for 2 hours to prevent skin irritation or excessive sweating. Some people repeat this cycle 2 or 3 times for a full afternoon of thermal therapy. Beyond pain and cold symptoms, there is a segment of the wellness community that uses aluminum foil wraps to combat general fatigue. In our fast-paced 2026 lifestyle, we are often looking for ways to reset our systems. The sensation of intense, reflected warmth on the feet can act as a form of sensory grounding. Much like a weighted blanket or a hot stone massage, the localized pressure and heat can signal the parasympathetic nervous system to relax, helping to lower stress levels after a long day of work. It is a simple, cost-effective way to force yourself to sit down, disconnect, and focus on your physical comfort for an hour. However, as with any home remedy, safety and common sense are key. Because aluminum foil does not breathe, it can trap moisture and sweat against the skin. This is why the rest periods between wraps are so important. It is also vital to avoid this practice if you have open wounds, skin rashes, or severe circulatory issues like advanced diabetes, where you might not be able to feel if your feet are getting too hot. This is a wellness practice meant for comfort, not a replacement for professional medical intervention. While modern medicine continues to advance, there is something fascinating about how we are rediscovering these simple, old-world hacks using everyday items. Whether it's the physical warmth helping your circulation or the forced relaxation of sitting still, the aluminum foil method remains one of the most interesting and accessible ways to treat your feet to a bit of extra care. So the next time you feeling the winter chill in your bones or your joints are acting up after a long day, you might just find the relief you need right in your kitchen drawer. Give it a try, and you might be surprised at just how much a little bit of silver foil can do for your spirit.